of the world, you slid down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see. So here I am to worship. Yeah, I am to bow down. Yeah, I am to say that you're my God. Beginners and intermediate piano players frequently struggled on how to use minor, augmented, and diminished chord in their piano playing. In this tutorial, we explore these chord types and provide answers to your curiosity. Make sure you follow through to the end of this tutorial to get the most out of it. And if this is your first time in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Welcome back. Let's start with minor chord. Minor chord often come with feelings of sadness, melancholy, and introspection. What does this mean? First, minor chord can be used for emotional intensity. I'm going to use the same song I did in my opening to give this example. Okay, let's see now. I'm going to play with just the pure major chords, and secondly, I will now play with the minor chord. Then you see what I'm saying about emotional intensity. So look at it now. So here I am to worship. Yeah, I am to bow down. Yeah, I am to say that you're my God. See, pure major chords. Now, listen to this now with the minor chord. So here I am to worship. Yeah, I am to bow down. Yeah, I am to say that you're my God. What I did is this. The chord progression is 1, the next is 5, and I went back to 1, and then we go to 4. That's the chord progression of that song. Now, what I did is that I replaced some chord, which you can say, otherwise say substitute. So instead of me going back to the 1 the second time, I replaced with the chord 6. And instead of me just going and hold on chord 4, and I quickly play the minor chord, which is the E minor chord or your chord 3, before going to what? The chord 4. So this is it now. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. So instead of going to 1, I'm going to go to 6. So here I am to say. You see that? I go to 6. That, and I did 3. You're my God. Look at that chord progression. I replaced some of the major chords to be minor. So instead of me having chord 1 2 times, I replaced the second chord 1 to chord 6, and that is the minor we're talking about. And that creates that feelings of emotional intensity in the song. You find out that you feel like maybe crying or something along the line when you sing that song with that chord progression. So that's one of the use of minor chord. The second use of minor chord is transition. Transition refers to a passage of music that connects two sections or parts together in music. If you've listened to this song by Leonard, Hallelujah, you are going to see at the end of the verse 1, the chord they played there was a minor chord to transit to the chorus, which I'm going to show you now. I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you? It goes like this: the fourth and fifth, the minor 4 and the major lead, the powerful king composing hallelujah, 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 and hallelujah. At the end of the first verse, the baffled king composing Hallelujah, there was a chord they used there. First, they went for E major 7th chord, and then A minor. Did you see that now? And the chorus starts with a chord 4, which is a major chord, which is 4. You see that transition there. You can check the song up yourself. You are going to hear the transition using minor chord in that song. Another song you can also check out is Stairway to Heaven by Lad. In fact, that song, you are going to hear it very clearly that a minor chord was used for transition to other parts of the song. Next chord is diminished chord. Like I said in my previous video, that diminished chord creates tension, it's unstable, and it gives you this unique harmony. You can use diminished chord as transitional chord, the same way we've done it on the minor chord. You all know what transition means now. Then you can use it as chromatic movement. So let me explain that using this same song. Here I am to worship. So instead of playing, I'll play the normal way, then I will show you how to use as chromatic movement. You all know what chromatic means. Chromatic means it's just a step movement. So for example, let's go to that song. So here I am to worship, here I am to bow down, here I am to say that you're my God. You see now, I'm going to chord 4 or I'm going to F. So if you look at the piano chromatically, which key comes before F? It is what? E. So I can play E diminished. You can play it as half diminished or diminished 7th to go to this F. It sounds so beautiful. So let me show you now. So, here I am to worship, here I am to bow, here I am to say that. Now I'm going to 4. I know I'm going to 4. I'm going to do it now. You're my God. Did you see that? You're my God. You can also use it at the beginning of the song. Light of the world, you step down into darkness. Open my eyes. Look at it. Let me see. I did it again. Let me. Instead of me saying, open my eyes, let me go to 4 direct. No, I didn't do that. So I did, open my eyes, let me see that, see. So you can also use that. So chromatic movement from that. The next way to use diminished chord is modulation. You can use it to modulate, which means you can use it to go to another key. Modulation means you are changing the key to another key. So I'm going to use this song. I've done it before also, Maranatha, on the same key of C. Then I'm going to use this diminished 7th chord to modulate to the key D. Okay, so let us see that. You once gone without the sun, either of a king. See that? So we lift our voice to you, Maranatha, Hallelujah. Look at it now. You won't come without a sound. You see that? I'm going to the key of D. He's a so we lift our voice to you. So what I did is that I knew I'm going to, well, you can do it any point, but I knew I'm going to the key of D. So what I did is I played the A flat diminished 7th. So I can have the next melody. So I knew my next note is going to be A. So I played the A flat diminished 7th, then to go to D. Did you see that now? Let me do that again. You won't come without the sun. I'm playing it very simple so that you can see the chord. So we lift our voice to you, Maranatha. modulation now. This I'm on the key of D already. Augmented chord can also be used as your transitional chord. It can be used as your modulation chord. It can also be used as your chromatic movement chord, just the same way I've used it in other songs. So in overall summary is that these chords, diminished and augmented and minor, can be used as a passing chord to another, and as a passing chord. For example, let's say you have a chord 1 and you are going to chord 4, for example. You can use any of these chords depending on, I use more of diminished 7th chord. So depending on how you like it. For example, we also have the augmented 7th chord. Look at it now. This augmented 7th chord, but I don't really like it except you voice it in a way that you can think you can use. I can use this now to go to 4. You can see that now. So that can be used as a passing chord also. For example, let's say I'm going to from chord 1 and I'm going to chord 2, which is D. I can use the C sharp, right? I can use C sharp augmented to go to D. Okay, let's do that. We all know that augmented is built on the root 3rd and the sharp 5, right? Or augmented 5th, right? So this is my root, right? My 3rd. Then this is the 5th sharp. I augment it. I raise it. Then I can do this to D. Did you see that? So then I do that again. You see that? You can use it. So overall, this is what this chord can be used for.